Well, fellow humans, we're back for another video. We got a fresh piece of meat to work on. Well, we got one window that doesn't go up and down. As a matter of fact, it won't even hold itself up. We're gonna be changing the window regulator today. Alright, now we're getting down into the nitty gritty here. So, once the door panel's off, we gotta look at taking out the screws that hold on to the speaker here, and then we can remove that out of the way. Some spaghetti there on the side that, you know, have to take that all off. Then we'll have to get that gasket out of the way as well. That is not the right tool. Let me go get the proper tool. See, fellers, on YouTube, we don't do things properly. We just do them. There we go. That's kind of what you want.
So now this is not doing anything.
Ooh.
So we take this out.
Oh, now I'll take the tape off since we got all of that. Oh, here we go. It is happening. Stuff is moving. Sash bolt. Other sash bolt.
Okay.
And pop goes the weasel. Don't drop it.
Oh! Regulator grease.
Well, that's the same as what we pulled out, except new and shiny.
Like that. Grab your nut. For now, I'm going to stick it on there. So there you have it fully collapsed, and you can slide her in the door there. Just try and get everything in the door. And here's your bolts.
Got a couple nuts started on those.
Yep.
Okay, so we just hooked it up to the vehicle harness, and we actually turned the key on, and we moved the regulator a little bit just so we could get it easier positioned to put the bolts in over here, because it was not quite cooperating the other way.
Yeah. A lot of finagling, a lot of jiggling around to get it all lined up properly. Can't really get out with your fingers very good. So what we do, so you get one of these magnetic telescopical tools things.
Those two bolts back on.
Yeah, these two bolts back on. I kind of cross-thread that one, but that's okay. Cross-thread's better than no thread. And then yeah, just
we slipped the window back in.
Got it lined up with their our slots. So there's slots on the window that slide into the studs in the regulator.
Those are called the window sashes.
Window sashes. Zip them up. Just snug. You don't have to go alpha gorilla on it. And then basically now just test it. Make sure. Oh yeah, make sure your window's inside the track in the door. Because if not, then it won't work.
Got something binding.
Oh. Didn't hurt that time.
Sounds like a nice healthy motor though. Look at the center of that door panel flexing when it seals.
Oh, I mean, this one's, at least this one's wired right.
Ah, the other one, the other side, up is down and down is up.